Unlock the power of Google Docs, 10 tips to save you hundreds of hours. More than 25 million people use Google Docs. But most of us don't know its best features. Here are 10 Google Docs tips that'll save you hundreds of hours of your life. 1. Spelling and grammar check. Fix your flaws in seconds with writing assistants you can trust inside Google Docs. 2. Access shortcuts directly with @ No need for the toolbar to select a title, header, etc. Access list, files, media, and dates easily. Add header and footer in seconds. 3. Auto-replace text. Save time, replace text and icons effortlessly. Easily create shortcuts to substitute long texts with a single click. Never type out those handy links again. 4. Download the document directly as a PDF. Simply remove edit from the URL and add /export format equals PDF. Feel free to share this link with anyone who wants to receive the PDF instantly. 5. Draw directly from Gdocs. Looking to enhance your visuals in a flash? Easily insert a new drawing without having to leave your Google document. 6. Change default fonts. 1. Click Format Paragraph Styles Normal Text. Choose Update Normal Text to match. 2. Click Format Paragraph Styles Options. Choose Save as my default styles. 7. Bookmark for quick access. Save time and navigate faster with bookmarks. They'll take you straight to the specific section or page you need. 8. Suggesting mode, take control. Make your mark on a document without changing the original content. Suggest modifications, and if the owner loves your ideas, they become the new reality. 9. Embedding document in email. Skip the hassle of sending attachments or links. Embed your entire document directly in the body of an email. Here's how. 1. Click File. 2. Select Email. 3. Choose Email this file. 10. Insert special characters. Insert special characters like arrows, shapes, emoticons, and accent marks into your documents. Navigate to Insert Special Characters.